MoeTheDriver.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So check it out. It was earlier. I mean, we had snow on the ground. It was crazy out here, but the snow's gone, and the FedEx guy decided he wanted to bring me a Christmas gift, that you can see behind me. I have the wheels and tires for the truck. So we got this is ET Street Radial Pro, Mickey Thompson, 275, and we have the brand new JEGS Spike wheels. I'm gonna take one of these in the house and I'm gonna unbox this wheel so you guys can get a look at that. I'm sure you guys have seen these Mickey Thompsons before, so I don't have to show you that. But I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these wheels in the house because it's 32 degrees out here and I'm in a t-shirt. So let me just take this in the house and I'll see you there. This is a JEGS Spike, gloss black and milled, of course, 15 by 10. We did the 5-on 4 3/4 bolt patterns Chevy. Back spacing is 5.5, and the offset is actually a 0. So this is actually a pretty good wheel. I got this on Black Friday sale for a little bit. I think it was like $112 or something like that, Black Friday. So yeah, of course I did get 2. The other one's in the garage, but I'm just gonna open this, unbox it, show you what it is, so you obviously get a good look at the wheel. This is going to tuck in real nice under the truck. We're building a 9-inch, so we don't have to worry about it not fitting right away. We're going to make it fit, and that's the best option at this point. Buy the wheels, buy the tires, get it all together, slap it on there, and make it work. So we're going to build it and make it like we want it. Yeah, so let's get to it. Let's get this thing open. Alright, so you see everything is packed really well. This says Vision Wheel Inc. That's obviously the company that JEGS uses or contracts with or owns or whatever that makes the wheel. It's a lifetime warranty and care instructions. And I'm going to open this bad boy up. We got the wheel, of course. It is packaged really well in the plastic, and the plastic lip around the wheel. Let's see what we got here. Boom, look at that bad boy. That is nice. That is a badass wheel. So it is made very well. It looks great. There is a couple other trucks that have these wheels on it, so we know that they look good on the truck. I'll show you the inside. That's what the inside looks like. It's pretty deep. It's awesome. So we are going to get this over to the wheel shop today, and then we are going to get the tires on them and get them over to the builder. What do we got? Okay, so here's your little warning. Must return wheel original size box in order to receive a refund. There we go. All right, so that's what it looks like, man. I mean, that's what the Spike is. I mean, it's pretty cool. We need to go get some valve stems, and then we're going to get these over to the wheel shop, and we're going to get these things together. And we're going to go ahead and get them on the new 9-inch and make sure that we can get it fitted to the truck properly. Oh, and by the way, it's a center cap. So I missed that part. Center cap for it. So here's the center cap, so that would obviously go in the inside, but that's what it would look like with the center cap, of course. So looks pretty cool, nice black center cap. Whoop. But yeah, man, this is a badass wheel. This is what we got. This is what we're gonna roll with on the drag strip, and it's gonna look badass as soon as the truck's done. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss the next video, because we are gonna have some crazy stuff going on with the truck. And if you want to learn this stuff about the truck, specifically a Tacoma 1st gen, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. All right, we'll see you.